Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I have got one of the first 2019 F-150 Limiteds. They have revamped this limited trim level. This trim level now includes the Raptor powertrain. So it's the same 3.5 liter twin turbocharged motor, but instead of 360 some odd horsepower, it's rated at 450. Rated to absolutely go. Mated with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the nicest half-ton truck Ford manufactures. It comes with a 22-inch standard wheel and pretty much all the bells and whistles. You'll notice in the back they've got the exhaust pipes kind of mated to the bumper there, which is a little bit different look. They've got the same 22-inch beautiful wheel, but the big difference you'll notice, they have changed the interior color. If you remember last year, it was kind of a navy blue color. Now they have made it synonymous with the limited trim level from the Super Duties. They've got that camelback interior, they call that. So this is the softest, plushest leather that Ford has to offer. You can see the big twin panel moonroof up here. It's got all the stuff, 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, lane departure, it's got it all. This truck stickers for $74,615. We've got it here for sale. If you've got any questions, I'll include my contact information in the video description. We're right off I-65. We're the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees, so please feel free to reach out. This truck's here and available, and we've got more on the way. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great weekend, and thanks for watching.